Bitcoin is about to have a huge price increase, and whatever happens next could shock the crypto world for months. With key factors coming together to push XRP's price to new heights, the crypto market is buzzing with excitement, and buyers are keeping a close eye on the situation. That which the current rally is different from others we've seen, because it's the result of strong forces that have been building up over time. All signs point to a surge that could change the future of XRP. This rally is something you don't want to miss. Whether you've been following XRP for a while, or this is your first time observing it, what's going in the market? It's not just hype or short-term price changes. XRP has been steadily making ground despite the volatility in the crypto space. Ripple is a part of a bigger story in the world of business. The company that created XRP has been steadily growing its impact on global payments by teaming up with big banks and other financial institutions all over the globe as Ripple continues to establish itself as a leader in cross-border payments. This rising use is key to XRP's potential because it's no longer just a speculative digital asset. It's a solution to real-world problems in the financial system. XRP is becoming more popular, which could lead to the next rise. Ripple's popularity is also growing. After a rough patch, the cryptocurrency market has shown signs of stability and even bullish movement in recent months. XRP in particular has been catching the attention of institutional investors who see its value beyond just a digital currency, with the global financial system looking for more streamlined ways to handle business. Due to its ability to make cross-border purchases faster and cheaper, XRP is a desirable asset for investors seeking to broaden their holdings. Changes in investor interest are a big reason why XRP's price might go up. But what really makes this rally stand out is how far Ripple has come in its ongoing case with the US. Investor protection and securities. It's been years since SEC was a problem for XRP, but recent events suggest that the case is moving toward a resolution. Many people think this could be the turning point for XRP. If Ripple wins, it could remove a big obstacle to its growth, letting the market fully embrace it. Uncertainty that has kept many all of these things could happen quickly to turn doubting investors into confident ones, causing huge amounts of money to flood into XRP. According to the technical indicators, XRP is ready for a breakout that could send its price skyrocketing. Key price levels and strong buying momentum all point to a surge happening soon. If the market keeps showing strength, XRP could be one of the biggest winners. These factors that are causing this rally are real, and investors who are paying attention could see huge returns soon as the next chapter for XRP begins. Something that happens next might not just affect prices, it might also be the start of a new era for both XRP and XRP, and its potential for a huge rally. So if you've been watching from the sides, now might be the best time to join. The rally is about to start. Now it's time to focus on the main reasons behind this rise. Many options exist in the cryptocurrency market, but what makes XRP unique? Currently, let's take a better look at the specific factors that are paving the way for XRP's big move. Institutional usage of XRP is growing, which is one of the most important reasons for the upcoming rally. The way banks see cryptocurrency has changed over the past few years. In the past, digital assets were seen as a risky and uncertain investment. People are now realizing how useful they are in solving global financial issues. This change has put Ripple at the center because it allows for quick, cheap cross-border payments. This cryptocurrency's creator has already teamed up with a huge number of banks and other payment companies, including well-known ones like partnerships keep growing. These partnerships help solidify XRP's place in the future of global finance, and the more financial institutions that adopt it, the more valuable it becomes. Another important factor is RippleNet's role in changing the global payment system. Cross-border transactions can happen instantly and safely on RippleNet, which powers XRP's real-world use cases. As global trade and finance become more connected, there has never been a greater need for a quick, safe, and cheap way to send money. Ripple offers a solution that traditional banking systems can't match by cutting the time and cost of XRP. Will be in higher demand for foreign transactions as more banks and other financial institutions join RippleNet. Increasing use cases aren't just a guess, they're happening right now, and as adoption keeps growing, XRP is likely to see a big increase in value. Of course, the mood of the market as a whole is also a big part of XRP's upcoming rally. Following a rough couple of years marked by regulatory concerns and market instability, the crypto world is now experiencing more stability and investor confidence. More and more institutional investors are entering the space, and the crypto market as a whole is maturing as the market becomes more stable. Solid digital assets are clearly in high demand. These newfound positive feelings mean that XRP, with its growing use case and strong institutional support, will benefit more than many other cryptocurrencies. This is because when investor sentiment changes for the better, prices often move significantly, and XRP is set to take full advantage of this trend. Then there's the ongoing legal battle with the US National Futures Trading Commission (NFT). Unfortunately, this case has been a big problem for XRP in the past, creating doubt and keeping many investors away. But as the case goes on and we get closer to a resolution, the market is becoming more confident that Ripple will win. If Ripple wins, it will be a huge victory not only for the company, but also for XRP holders. Legal clarity would remove a major obstacle, allowing the market to fully embrace XRP. Many investors are waiting for this final resolution before jumping into XRP, and once the case is settled, there could be a flood of capital flowing into XRP, causing the price surge that many are expecting. All of these factors are perfectly aligned to create the ideal situation. Perfect conditions for a huge rally. XRP is about to go through a huge price increase thanks to strong technical indicators, rising buying interest, growing institutional interest, the growing usefulness of Ripple, a positive market climate, and the possibility of the SEC case being settled. Let's look at how this rally might affect people who already have XRP and invest in it.